Hello guys, I hope you're doing good. Today I'd like to introduce a wonderful platform where you can earn a good amount of money. Whether you're employed, self-employed, housewife, or professional, everyone can do from anywhere. OneXBet is an online betting platform that offers a variety of sports betting options, online casino games, and other forms of online betting. If you are looking for how to make money online, work from home, and side hustle, I think it's a very good platform for you. It was founded in the year 2007, a company licensed and registered under the Kyrgyzstan e-gaming authority. In recent years, it becomes one of the world's leading online betting platform. As you can see here, these are the sport partners with OneXBet. As you can see here, Spanish football like La Liga, Barcelona, PSG, and as you can see here, esports partners. To be honest, through my experience and from my perspective, I can tell that it's a very good way to make money. If you use the right strategy, learn, analyze and apply to it, we can definitely make money. Alright, so let me show you how to register in OneXBet. So first you have to download the app and then install it, and then open the app. You will see this type of interface. Click the registration. As you can see here, there are multiple ways to register. So you should click the number 3, full. You click the full. Here you can enter your title, and then you can type here your name, your real name. And then here you can select your country. It is India. Select your state, and then here you can select your down district, and then here you can write your date of birth, choose the year, and then choose the month, and choose the date, and then click OK. And then here you can select your currency. It's INR. Type your email. You can type it here, your email. And then you can type your phone number. And then create your own password. So you can type any. Add some character and add some number also, and here you should type the same password that you have created. This should be same. Alright, so this is very important. Don't forget to enter the promo code, which is in the link and also you can see in the screen. If you apply the promo code, you will get 120% depositing bonus. And if you don't, you won't get it, so don't miss it. Apply the promo code here. It is all in capital. Alright, so after that, click the spots. It's already selected. You will click all the terms and condition. After marking all the terms and condition, you click the green button, which you can see down below, and then click another robot. Alright, so read the caption, and it says click all the bicycle that you see. So click the bicycle. Alright, so until it's known, then verify it. Click send good. Alright, so after that you will receive OTP. Enter the OTP and then it will direct to the app. Today I will teach you how to place a bid in 1xBet. So watch till the end. Alright, so as you can see here, there are different sports categories, so you choose your preferred sports. Alright, so let's go for football. Alright, so these are the live matches going on around the world in different countries. Alright, so you select any one of this. Alright, you can choose anyone, you can able to place a bid. Alright, then let's click sports. If you click on sports, you can able to see different football leagues around the globe. Alright, so let's go for England, and then let's click England Premier League. Alright, so let's check it out. Alright, so tonight at 9 p.m. there's a match between Fulham vs Liverpool. Alright, so as you can see here, W1 is Fulham, which is on the left side, and W2 is Liverpool, which is on the right side. So let's click it. Alright, so if you think that Liverpool will win, you click on W2, right, and then make a bet. Say for example, if you bet with 5,000, then your winning amount will be 8,580. right, so and if you think that Fulham will win, alright, so if you make a bid with, so like 7,000, alright, then your winning amount will be 32,725. Alright, so you can also check their previous matches. Alright, touch your finger on the screen and swipe to the left. Alright, and then click expand, and then you can see their previous matches. Alright, you can analyze from here. Alright, so and then you can make a bid. Alright, it's very simple, right? This is a single bet. Alright, so if you want multi-bid, then let me show you. Alright, so click your preferred team, alright, and then click add to bid slip. Alright, so I've choose one, then let's go back and choose other matches. Alright, so I will choose anyone just to show you. Alright, so alright, so I can choose from here. Alright, so by clicking stream, alright, on the top, you can able to watch the live. Alright, you can able to watch the live matches. Alright, so choose the team, alright, and then click add to bet slip, and then let's add one more. Alright, okay, I will choose anyone. Alright, so I will choose a cricket match. Alright, tonight there's a match between Kings 11 Punjab versus Gujarat Titans. Alright, so let's click that. Alright, and let's choose, I will choose Gujarat Titans. Alright, so let's click add to bet slip. Alright, I've already added 3 matches on bet slip. So let's click on bet slip. As you can see in the bottom, click bet slip and then click bid. Alright, so type the amount 8,000. Alright, so if my prediction is right, the winning amount will be 72,857.93 rupees. Alright, okay, then click bid. Alright guys, I hope you have learned how to make a bid in 1xBet. To download the app and get registered in 1xBet, you can check the description. I've given the link, or you can open up the browser and type www.1xbet.com. It will automatically direct to the page, and there you can able to download the app First install the app and open the app and then click registration and fill all the necessary, and this is very important. Don't forget to put the promo code. If you apply the promo code, you will get up to 120% bonus on your first deposit, so don't miss it. So you can check the promo code in the description, and also you can see on the screen. Alright guys, that's for today. If you have any doubt, you can let me know in the comment section, and thanks for watching.